You
can stand there. Okay.
No, because you need to look.
I have a big problem. Hi there lovely people and welcome to my channel. I have a really big problem. Well, it's not a big problem, it's a small problem. There's bigger problems. I really like snacking. Normally I snack on things like fruit, vegetables, dark chocolate, dried fruit and so on. There's so many different options nowadays. But I really want to try something new. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to make energy balls. I have read a couple of recipes online and they seem really straightforward. Let's get right into the video. Hope you enjoy it and let's go. For this recipe, you will need a cup of cashews, 8 pitted dates, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, some desiccated coconut. So the amount of ingredients I just showed you was for one batch. I'm going to make 2 batches because one batch I feel like is not enough. So I do really like snacking. We need one cup of cashews for one batch. We're going to need 2. So we have 1 cup here. We're going to put it straight into the blender because we're going to have to blend them. I don't have a big blender, I have a smoothie blender. So I'm gonna blend everything separately. If you have a big mixer, then you can put everything together. However, I don't have that, so I'm gonna do every single thing separately so that it doesn't get clogged in there. And I'm gonna blend 1 bag of cashews first and then the other, because we do need 2 bags for 2 batches. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we've got the cashews ready in the bowl, they're nice and blended. Just a couple of tips when you're making it. Make sure that you don't blend the cashews too much because you don't want to get cashew butter. You want them to be nice and fluffy like so. And when you're using a smoothie blender, also don't put too much in at once because I was having trouble blending some of the cashews and I had to go in and re-blend it. But yeah, there's the cashews. And now what I'm going to use the same smoothie blender. I'm not going to get a clean one because it's all going to be mixed together in the end. And for one batch, it was 8 dates. I really like dates, so I might put a bit more. Of course, for 2 batches, we're going to need 16 dates. So 1, I got this 200-gram packet of dates. And I'm going to use it all. There's like 21 dates in there. I know we're only supposed to use 16 dates for 2 batches. However, I'm going to go ahead and see if this works. So 20 dates in there. And I'm going to blend. Basically, the dates are very thick and it's really hard to blend them in this because it's very tall and compact. So I've added a bit of almond milk, just the teeniest tiniest bit of almond milk, and I'm going to see now if this does anything. Alright, so now I've blended everything. It's not really that perfectly blended, but honestly the blender just isn't doing it. It's like I don't really know how much to put in there because when I put too much in, it's not blending well, and then when I put too little, it's not blending either. So I'm just gonna call it a day and empty this. And this is it for blending. We don't really need to blend anything else. I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher. What else we need is honey in this recipe. For one batch it was 2 tablespoons of honey, So I need to put 4 tablespoons of honey in. I wouldn't go too overboard with the honey because the dates are already sweet, so just remember that. I don't personally like overly sweet things. I do have a sweet tooth, but when it's too sweet, it's a bit sickly. So I feel like this has to be mixed with hands. It's really hard to mix it with this spoon. So I'm just going to put the rest of the ingredients in. So what we need is, let me just get a tablespoon. It said 2 tablespoons of cacao for 1 batch, so I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of cacao in. And we also need a vanilla. And it said 2 teaspoons of vanilla for 1 batch. So I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of vanilla. I really love vanilla, so I do always put a bit more than the recipes say. So let's start mixing. Right, so I just went and washed my hands because, as you can see, I had the batter all over my hands. So now I'm going to split this batter into 2, so I can put coconut in one and then make just plain cacao energy balls. I'm just going to do like, I feel like, I don't know, 2 centimeter radius balls, like so. I feel like this is like a bite-sized bowl, you know, something like this. And yeah. Alright, so I've got the energy balls ready on the chopping board. And yeah, now I need to coat these in coconut, and I'm going to plate these straight on the plate because I don't want to coat them in cocoa powder because I feel like it's going to be too strong of a taste. And yeah, what I'm going to do here is just place some desiccated coconut and coat these little bad boys in the coconut if it sticks. So it's not really sticky very well, you have to press it hard. So I'm going to get my boyfriend to do the taste test now.
Which one should I? Why?
That's the coconut one. That's the original cocoa one.
Have you tasted it?
No, I haven't.
I don't know.
I don't like coconut, so I'm going to go for this.
It's like a better bounty. Oh my god.
You good? Pretty chewy.
Ah, good. It's a lot.
Alright, so as you just saw, we did the taste test and they taste absolutely amazing. They are so tasty, not too sweet, not too much cacao powder in there. It's just delicious. Delicious. You really have to try this at home. You can experiment with different ingredients as well. You can add other dried fruit to it, like prunes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. So I just wanted to jump in here and say that I'm completely new to this, so I would really appreciate it if you could leave me some valuable comments about how you liked this video and what other videos you would want me to film for you. Like I said, it will really help me out, so leave me some valuable comments down below. And once again, thanks for watching.